Alright, 6-1. 6-1. Alright, write the answers to the following problems in the working papers. Your instructor, that's me, will guide you through the following examples. You're authorized to sign checks for Balsam Lake Accounting. For each of these situations, prepare appropriate endorsements. A blank endorsement, a special endorsement, and a restrictive endorsement. So up here on the top, we have to put a blank endorsement. Here you just sign your name. This is your signed name. Yes. This is blank. That's a blank endorsement. A special endorsement to transfer a check to Kelsey Sather. So we're going to, this is going to be special. You don't have to put this up there. This is a blank, this is special. We're going to pay to the order of, and it's Kelsey Sather, and then signed name underneath. That's how, if you get a check written to you and you're just going to give it to somebody else, you put pay to the order of the person it's going to, and then you sign your name underneath it saying, I want this to go there. And letter C is a restrictive endorsement. A restrictive endorsement is for deposit only.
I thought you just said we didn't have to write.
Put the special.
This stuff up here you don't have to write.
Why can't you raise your handwriting? So
It's a pretty standard issue. To the account of, and then this Balsam Lake Accounting, and then signed name.
this is glare. Yeah,
Better?
yeah.
Alright, now we're going to fill out some checks. 5, 6, 7. Record the balance brought forward on check stub number 78 as $1,805. So the balance brought forward goes right here. 1,805. 1,805. And 75 cents. Right here. That's the balance brought forward. But you can't really see that. Recorded deposit of $489 made on October 30th of the current year. Use this check stub. So we have 10/30, 2011 for $489. 489. Okay, so our subtotal is now, how do we find this? Add it, because you're depositing. You want to keep track of how much money's in there, so it's $2294.75. $2294.75. That's the deposit. Now, prepare check stubs and write the following checks. Use October 30th for both dates. On check number 78, corner garage, 4 repairs, 162. So first, you always want to fill out the stub first. So this is $162 on October 30th, 2011. It goes to corner garage. 4 repairs. So the subtotal of this is $2294.75. $2294.75. The amount of this check is $162. So our new balance is. Oh.
I can't even read it. I'm on repairs. What's the rest of the stuff you did?
Okay, we brought our balance forward. The balance brought forward, the subtotal is 2294.75. That's this number. 2294.75.
I don't know anything. What's the amount of this check?
The amount of this check is right up here, 162. 162. So now to find the balance carried forward, we subtract 2132.75. 2132.75. Now we can write out the check.
What do you say it was?
2132.75.
Did you subtract it?
Yes, you just subtract because that's the amount of, this is your balance, then you write this check. So when you write a check, it reduces your balance. So your new balance is going to be less. 162, 162, and 00 over 100. For repairs, sign name. So your balance is 2132 and 75 cents. So this number here gets brought forward to this number here. So the new number is 21. New balance is 20.
Yeah, I'm way lost.
What's the matter?
Still writing out the check. I don't even have that top box done.
What, this?
Because I gave up. Because I can't read this third line.
The third line, that's corner
garage.
garage. Ink, I think is a
Well, you don't have to, what do you put here, so?
I just put Stu sign name. Sign your name.
Okay, I think I know. Let me get it.
Caught up?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so 2132.75 is the balance brought forward. I got that from right here. The next check is $92 to St. Croix Supply, check 79. So $92. St.
Put down at the top.
Right here,
Yeah.
put this number. The balance carried forward, 2132.75, 2132.75. This number goes here. The date, 10/30/11 to St. Croix. What is it? St. Croix Supply. For supplies. There was no deposit, so now underneath amount deposited, we can just leave this blank. Right here, we can leave this line blank. So our subtotal is still $2,132.75. If we have a service charge, or if we have bonds, United Way, anything else that comes out of here, we would put that in this others. That's where your service charge would go. You don't write out a check. It's just something the bank does. It takes it out, so that way you have it taken out. So the subtotal is still $2,132.75. Fill that out. If you leave it blank, it's wrong. Points will be deducted. The amount of this check was $92. So our new balance is $2,040.75. And now we can write out the check. 10/30/11 to St. Croix Supplies for 92 American dollars. 92 and 00 over 100 for supplies, and then you assigned name.